Recovering your WhatsApp account with a new number.
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll dive into a common dilemma. Can you recover your WhatsApp account if your phone number has changed? Stick around, and we'll guide you through the process step by step.
Why would I need to recover my account?
WhatsApp ties your account to your phone number. If you've changed your number, you might be worried about losing your chats, groups, or settings. The good news is that there's a way to transition your account to your new number without losing any data.
Do I still have access to my old number?
If yes, 1. Open WhatsApp and tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. 2. Go to Settings, Account, Change Number. 3. Enter your old number in the first box and your new number in the second box. 4. Tap Next and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll receive a verification code on the new number. 5. Once verified, your account will be transferred to the new number, keeping all your chats and groups intact. If you don't have access to your old number, it's trickier. However, there's a workaround. 1. Set up WhatsApp as if you're a new user with your new number. 2. Once set up, your old number will be deactivated from WhatsApp, as one number can only be active on one device at a time. 3. You'll be in new groups as a fresh member and old groups may still have your old number. It's essential to inform your contacts about your number change.
What about my backups?
If you've been backing up your chats to Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone. 1. Install WhatsApp with your new number. 2. After verifying, you'll get an option to restore chats from a backup. 3. Make sure you're logged into the same Google iCloud account where the backup was saved. Remember, always back up your chats regularly to avoid any data loss. Changing your phone number doesn't mean you have to start from scratch on WhatsApp. With a little patience and the steps outlined above, you can transition smoothly. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you'll have a seamless WhatsApp experience, regardless of how many times you change your number. Cheers!